Welcome to part 2 of my tutorial on how to use Lightroom basics. So today we're going to look at removing blemishes in the picture, also also using the Radial Filter. So let's get started. So here we go. So first of all, what I want to do is zoom into an area where you want to get rid of a blemish or a mark. In this picture I can see quite a few dust spots on here, and also I don't like this here. I'm going to remove that, and possibly some other bits in the picture. So let's get started. So first things first, we select the spot removal tool. Using your brackets on the keyboard you can increase and decrease the size of this. So what I tend to do is actually just get it just a bit bigger than the actual area I want to remove. Click it, and what it does, it takes a sample nearby and removes it. It's very, very good actually. To drag about the picture, you just hold down space and use your mouse. This one here, I'll remove that one as well. And remove that one. And remove that. And let's remove that one. Okay. I'm sure there's some more up here actually. So let's have a look. There's a couple of dark marks in the middle here. I'll just get rid of that. And we'll get rid of that mark. So once you're finished with removing all the spots that you want to remove, you just click done. There we go, we can zoom back out and it looks a bit cleaner now. What we can do now is use the Radial Filter. Let's just click on that there, it's the one with the circle without the arrow on it. What you can do is make sure all your effects are clear by double clicking effect, and so what we want to do is actually just highlight the whole the flower. So we want to actually just highlight an area of the flower. So we're going to just drag that over like that and make it maybe a wee bit bigger, probably about that. So to draw attention, what I will do is I'll reduce the exposure, not that much, by say about that much, and maybe bring up the contrast a bit, and hit done. And then what we'll do is we'll bring the exposure up again a wee bit. Oh, Control Z undoes the movement that you've done there. That's fine. It's looking quite good now. Cleaning it up a bit. What to do now is we'll look at some other things on the next video. This is just a wee quick couple of minute video just to give you a wee overview of the spot removal tool and the Radial Filter. So thanks, and please subscribe.